How to download ChatGPT on iPhone 20. In this video, we're going to be talking about ChatGPT and how you can get that incredible AI GPT chatbot application on your Apple devices. So to do so for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to your Google App Store, and over here, you're going to search up Chat T for yourself, okay? Now, once you search up ChatGPT, it should generally bring you the application right here, okay? This is the original app. It's called ChatGPT OpenAI. Pretty straightforward. And this is the only application. You don't go with any other applications because those are relatively the other softwares and other knockoffs. This is the main ChatGPT application, and you are going to need iOS 16.4 or later for this. If you don't, the later versions of iOS, you will not be able to download it. And if you click on download, it will give you an error notification that your version is too outdated for it. Okay, so do make sure that you have a more further version of iOS. Okay, it's going to give you this prompt. You must update to iOS 16.4 in order to download and use this application. So once you have the other versions of iOS, the upper versions, what you're going to do is you're simply going to come over to your App Store, click on Get, and download the amazing ChatGPT AI chatbot to use AI integration, a whole lot more. So that's the main idea on how you are going to download ChatGPT on your iPhone. I hope this video was fun for you. If it was, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you next video. Have a great day. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.